I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is weForms. Select a form. Click Next. Now search and select HubSpot. To get HubSpot access token, please go to your HubSpot account. Go to Settings. Click on Integrations. Click Private Apps. Click on Create a private app. Give a name of your app. Go to Scope. Click on CRM. Give all these permissions. Click on Create App. Click on Continue creating. Click on Show Token, then copy. Go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Successfully authorize. Click on Next. Select an action. Now map the respected fields. Here are some advanced features. If you want, you can use them. Click on Next. Click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Let's check our HubSpot account. As you can see, a contact has been created to HubSpot. Thanks for watching.